So there are multiple programming languages are available in this outside market or not? Yes, so there are multiple programming languages are available. So what is the main purpose of this programming language here? So we have to develop softwares, right? That is the main purpose of the software companies or not? So software is nothing but application only. So these applications only we are developing or not? Now, so what type of application we have to develop this using this programming language? So there are multiple types of applications we can develop or not? Now come on here. Platform independent nature is comes for what type of application? There are different types of application we discussed, right? Platform independent nature is required for what type of application, guys? For standalone application, platform independent nature is required or not required, guys?
Required, sir.
Required, sir.
Required? Yes. So that is based on the project requirement where we are executing that environment is based on that environment or not, guys? Yes. So mostly for the standalone application, only one computer only utilized, only one user only utilized. So even though we are executing multiple times, so that application is working fine. So no need to thinking about different types of other operating systems or not. But whenever we are developed internet application, guys, using this application, so using this programming language, if I am developing internet application, at that time, within this internet application is nothing but within this world everyone can able to access this application or not, guys? Within this world everyone can able to access this application means, do you know what type of operating system they are utilized in order to execute this application? No, right? We don't know what type of application, what type of operating system they utilized or not, guys. Even though they are utilized in any operating system, my application should execute or not? My application should execute it, right?
Yes, sir.
My application should execute. If it is not execute means, so no client gives your project to you or not, guys. Definitely we lose the business. So that means when platform independent nature is required here, so platform independent nature is required when we are developing this internet application. Platform independent nature is required. So definitely when we need to thinking about, so when we are trying to develop this internet application. Okay, sir. This platform independent nature is required. So when we are developing this internet applications. Now come on here. C language and is and C++ as like there are programming languages are available. These languages are example for platform independent or platform dependent here.
Platform
Platform
dependent.
dependence.
C is a platform dependent or independent, guys?
Platform dependent nature, sir.
Dependent.
Yes, definitely. Whatever the C and the C++ languages are there, so these are example for platform dependent or independent. Yes,
Platform dependent.
yes, definitely. So we already discussed in the, so we already discussed about high level languages, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What are the different types of high level languages? Sorry,
Python.
in category.
Python, Java.
In not example, guys. What is the main category? C language is an example for object oriented or procedure oriented, guys. We already discussed about pop, OOP, right?
Yes, sir.
High level languages are again divided into two types: procedure oriented programming language, object oriented programming language. Java is an example for object oriented. So C language is an example for procedure oriented. At that time we discussed all these internal points or not, guys?
Yes, sir. We are discussing.
That means C language is an example for object oriented programming language or procedure oriented programming language, guys.
Procedure
Procedure
oriented.
oriented.
Yes, so that means C language is an example for procedure oriented programming language. Language example for a procedure oriented programming language means So using C language, are you able to develop objects? Come on guys, using C language, can you able to develop objects? If you are able to develop the objects means then it is comes under the object oriented or not guys?
Yes.
So if you are not able to develop the objects means definitely that is not comes under the object oriented, right?
Yeah.
Using that programming language, if you are able to develop the objects, then only that programming language comes under the object oriented programming language or not guys?
Yes, sir.
So if using that programming language, if I am not developing these objects, so if you are able to develop the procedures, then only this comes under the procedure oriented programming language or not guys. So that
Yeah.
means why C language is not comes under the object oriented, why C language is comes under the procedure oriented means using C language, come on guys, using C language we can able to develop only procedures guys. Yes, using C language we can develop procedures. We can develop only procedures only. We cannot develop objects guys. That's why so we can able to develop the procedures using C language. That's why C language is an example for platform dependent procedure oriented programming language. As like there are different types of uh, we can call it as a C language or not guys. Yes, we can call there are multiple ways. So C language is also example for platform dependent. C language is also an example for procedure oriented because so using C language we can develop procedures, but using C language can we develop objects? No, we cannot develop objects or not guys. Yes, so we cannot create objects using C language. So because using C language we cannot create objects guys. If you are able to create objects then definitely this C language comes on the object oriented or not. Yes, so it is comes under the object oriented. But so C language using C language can you able to develop objects? No, we cannot develop the so objects using C language. Now come on here. Within this world everything is an object or not? Come on guys, within this world everything is in the normal language also. So not only this programming world, so in the normal world also, so within this world we simply we call it as everything is an object or not guys. We can take anything, we can take anything whether if it is a human being, no living thing, non-living thing, whatever it may be, everything is an object or not. Yes, so in this world object, everything is an object whether if it is a living thing or non-living thing, whatever it may be. So we can call, yeah, we can take anything guys, we can take anything.
Ah,
Yes, so whether if it is a
oh,
customer,
that
yes, if we
really.
take a customer, so customer is also comes under the one particular object or not. See, if I am taking one student, student is also one example of this particular object or not guys. Yes, anything guys. So fan, computer, laptop, mobile. So student, bank employee, one LIC agent, we can take anything. So everything is an example for object. So everything is an object in this world or not guys. Within this world everything is an object. Now in the real time, so whenever we are developing this application, so this application has to fulfill means this project we are developed for customers or we are developed for just for your purpose only guys. So why client is doing business with the outside world guys? They are doing business means definitely they have this project is communicate with the outside world or not. That means definitely we have to gather the collect the data from the outside world, right? So that means in order to do the business, definitely our application should handle the outside customer data or not guys. Within this outside world, whatever the customer data is there, that customer data we have to handle in the programming world or not. Come on, you're getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
So that means whatever the outside world data is there, come on guys, whatever the outside world, so data is there, that data we have to handle in the programming world or not. In order to do the business calculation, in order to do the business calculation, definitely we are responsible to store this programming outside world data into programming world. In the programming world, we have to do this calculation means within this outside world, everything is an object or not. Come on guys, within this world, everything is an object or not guys. Within this world, everything is an object means, come on guys, using that programming language, if you are able to develop the objects means, definitely that programming language is mostly popular or not. Come on here. Using that programming language, if you are able to develop the objects means, definitely such type of programming language are most popular in this market or not.
Yes, sir.
Because in this world, everything is an object. So
Yes.
what is that object data I want to storing in the programming world means, we can easily develop the program code or not guys. So in order to fulfill the requirement of this customer, in order to fulfill the requirement of your project, so we have to handle this customer data. So we have to handle this customer data means, whatever the object data is there, so if within this world everything is an object, so in order to fulfill that requirement, we can also able to create the same object in the programming world means, we can easily fulfill the requirement or not. We can easily develop this project code or not. That programming language is very close to this outside world or not guys. Things are getting clear or not clear guys. So this
Yes.
programming language is very close to this outside world. That is also one best feature. So and also we can develop programs. So easily or not guys. So easily we can develop these programs. So we can handle the data by creating objects or not guys. Yes. So these are the different benefits available if we are able to develop objects using the programming language or not guys. So because of this reason only, so if any programming language which are introduced with this feature means, that programming language is most popular or not. Come on guys.
Yes.
Yes, using that programming language, if we are developed, if we are able to objects means, if you are able to develop the objects means, definitely that programming language is most popular or not guys. Yes, no doubt that programming language is most popular. Outside market. Now when comes to C language is object oriented or procedure oriented?
Procedure oriented programming.
Yes, definitely C language is comes under the procedure oriented programming language or not guys?
Sir.
Yes, C language is comes under the procedure oriented programming language. Using C language, can you able to develop the objects? No, right? Definitely we cannot develop the objects using C language or not, guys. But
Yes,
when
sir.
it comes to this Java language, using Java language, we can able to develop the objects, guys.
Yes.
That is also one of the biggest feature of this Java language or not. Not
Yes,
only this
sir.
platform independent nature here. So if that programming language is very close to this outside world, if you are able to develop the objects using that C language, sorry, using that programming language, that is also one of the biggest feature or not. But using C language, are you able to develop the objects? No, we cannot develop the objects using C language or not. Can we able to run in all operating system using C language application? No, right?
No, sir.
So that means these are the different drawbacks available in the whole languages called C languages or not, guys. Why C language is not that much of popular, sir? Why Java is only that much of popular? Java has only long market in this software field. Why Java language only? Now nowadays everyone they want to develop this application means why they are thinking about Java language? Why they are not thinking about C language? Why Java is that much? Why Java only that much of popular when compared with C language? C is also one programming language. Java is also one programming language. Both are high level languages only. Why Java is that much of popular? Why C language is not that much of popular? Because of these drawbacks or not, guys. So C language is platform dependent or independent here? Platform dependent. So that means using C language, if I am developing any applications means are you able to run in all operating system? No, we cannot develop this, we cannot run this application in all operating systems or not. That is the drawback of this C language. So this is a object oriented or procedure oriented, guys. Yes, using C language, so we cannot create objects or not, guys. We cannot create objects. So using C language, so we can able to develop only procedures. We cannot create objects. So that means so within this world, so everything is an object. See, if the programming language is very close to this outside world, we can easily develop the project requirement or not. And so these are the drawbacks available in this C language called old languages. That's why C language is not that much of popular. Java is so that much of popular, guys. Why C language platform dependent, sir? So why C language is developed as a platform dependent? Why they are not developed as a platform independent language? So why we cannot create these objects in the C language? So all these points tomorrow class we will continue, guys. Okay? Yeah, thank you, guys.